mec, aujourd'hui on va react en contrôle rework. Ouais, ça commence déjà. What? La map? Ah mais oui, c'est dingue ça. Scientifique. Ok, sur le contrôle, il s'entend de rework. Qu'est-ce qu'il vit? Oh, ZLS. ZLS. Ziol. Ah, le fruit du dragon, ok. Ziol et Uzot. Ouais, Ziol et Uzot. Ah les gars, ah il y a un combat. Wesh, c'est lui. Vite. Oh le combat. Oh, il les a détruits, Uzot. Ah, c'est une équipe, il les a détruits. Ah non. Maintenant c'est le vrai combat. Il y en a un qui a été envoyé par Kripindra et l'autre par Migame 43. Ah, il a terminé. Ah, le combat ultime. Et lui, il veut le contrôle. Voilà, c'est prêt, les gars. Il dit, il veut l'utiliser.
What are you doing here?
C'est son fils. Je crois que c'est son fils.
Stop. Don't do this.
Il s'est préparé de la manger. Le vrai combat. Je donnerai contrôle. What? Hey, c'est quoi ces blocs d'eau? What? Oh, ils sont puissants les deux. Je déteste ce puissant. What? Il sort. Et heureusement j'ai le contrôle dans mon inventaire. Déjà je vous ferai une vidéo. What? Wesh. On va se passer. Wow. Mais c'est une dinguerie contre lui. Wesh. Wesh. Mais c'est tellement puissant. Je vais me mettre en vidéo. Je vais me mettre en vidéo les gars. Il les a détruits. Il les a détruits les gars. Oh, le dragon.
What? Control fruit stolen? Huh?
Le développeur. mais oui, c'est dark ici.
I give
Et il
Usopp
avec le
one
lighting
job
et
and he
le
fails.
Medium 43, créateur du jeu, les gars.
Silence.
Énervé. Il est foutu, mec.
My lord.
André. Il est foutu. Il est foutu par Pendrive Medium 43.
Oh my god, did y'all just beat that insane
Ah,
trailer?
yo, ils ont mec.
Holy! Oh my god.
On va les mettre en français, les gars.
Belku cooked everything in that trailer.
Ah, il n'y a pas moyen en français. Sous-titres. Français. On peut pas mettre. On peut faire plus.
Was
Yeah.
Pete. Me and Uzak got pieced up by the new control boss. Man, we got sauced up. Oh yeah, my voice acting was a bit chopped, but nah, that video
Et
carried
d'ailleurs, un nouveau
everything.
boost
It
control.
looks like Bloxus is starting to add more lore to the game because at the end of the trailer itself as well, we got My Game 43, aka Redhead. He got mad at Uzak, then we got Rip Indra, he got mad at me, and we got some new faces as well. Yeah, this is about to be crazy. That was peak. Alright, and now let's get into what you guys have been really waiting for. The control rework.
Okay,
Being able to
control
reshape
rework.
the battlefield by cutting, trading, and manipulating the space itself is what the rework is all about. And that's exactly what I'm about to show y'all right now, so let's get it. Outside of the domain, the fruit's still gonna feel threatening, but
En
still
dehors
kind of
du
limited.
domaine,
These
on peut
daggers
avoir
can
les
temporarily be
bagues.
summoned and used as deadly blades. Let me show you right now.
Ça va
Okay,
être
so these are
des
the M1s
M1,
outside of the
ça va
domain,
être des
and
M1.
when you use them
Mais
outside of
en
the
dehors
domain, they
du
still
domaine.
behave like typical weapon M1s or like mythical fruit M1s. Plus they look fire. Just peep the animation, peep the VFX.
J'espère
Yeah,
qu'ils
that's
vont
cool.
augmenter le
Next up, we get the X move outside of the domain. The player dashes to the enemy to stun them and then throws their dagger back towards the enemy with an automatic slashing effect. It also disassembles whoever is hit and reassembles them. Domain. The player dashes to the enemy to stun them and then throws their dagger back towards the enemy with an automatic slashing effect. It also disassembles whoever is hit and reassembles them further away from you. Tell me that's not gas. Alright, now we have the C move outside of the domain. You throw your dagger in a spinning motion, cutting down enemies and certain objects in your path. It also returns to you like a boomerang while pulling your enemy closer to yourself. And then last but not least, we have the F skill, which is basically the same move while you have your domain open or closed. You throw your dagger towards your current mouse position and teleport straight to it. But if you land your F move, it's a different story. Once you land your F move, you start cutting up your enemy as soon as your dagger lands on them. Keep it right now. Yes, sir. Alright, and now for the most important part of the control rework, the Z move. Tap the Z move to open your gigantic domain. And peep the visuals on it. It looks so much better than before. The upgrade is insane. And then while holding the Z move, you can close it as well. And once you have your domain open, the real fun is going to start. You have two different modes you gain access to. One is the hands mode, and one is the daggers mode. The hands mode purpose is for creating and controlling the battlefield. Y'all are going to see it once I showcase it. And meanwhile, the dagger mode is meant for cutting and execution. And to switch between the modes, you have to tap the Z ability while you're inside of your domain, which is also indicated by some special effects, as you can see. Alright, and while you're inside of your own domain, all your movement-related animations are changed as well. So peep the idle animation right now, it's looking mad clean. The dashes are mad fire too, they got changed as well. And the jump animation looks fire too. Not only that, but your flash step also has a cool feature now. Whenever you flash step, the location you land at will spawn a pillar right below you. That's gonna launch you straight in the air for extra movement.
Et ton talon, quoi. Il est bien, il est en majesté, quoi.
Ouais, il en impose. Bah, en même temps, il sait qu'il est le roi de France, le mec.
Il y a un petit côté drague.
Ça pourrait...
Sir! Alright, so just so you guys know, just like the old control fruit, a lot of the crazier buildings on C3 can't be cut up. The Blox's devs are waiting on the new Roblox tools that are gonna allow them to make the cutting of the fruit even more crazy, sometime next year. For now, I'm only showing off the cutting this fruit has to offer on the Sea Castle. But when Roblox releases their new tools, the devs can expand the cutting and make the fruit even crazier. Let's get into the M1s now for the dagger. By swiping your mouse, you're gonna cause a massive slash spanning over the entire screen. You can either hold it or quickly slash too. And then once you cut in the object, it's gonna make it glow, and you can cut it into even more tiny pieces. Really fun. And you can also catch other players lacking inside of your domain by just slashing them with the M1s as well. Next up is the X move. Once you land it, you do a crazy combo, and I mean it's actually crazy. Look at it right now. It looks peak. Yes, sir. Now for the C move, you basically release a barrage of 3 slashes towards your mouse position. If you spread out your slashes, you create a multitude of AoE slashes. But if you use them all in the same position, the slashes expand into a massive AoE. Just like you can see right here. And that was just a dagger mode. We still have to showcase the hand mode right now. Alright, so let's start off with the M1s. By tapping M1, you create giant cubes. And the more you tap, the more you create. And by holding the M1, you increase the size of the cubes you spawn in. You can either throw them one by one or all at once. It don't matter. Alright, so next up we have the X move. You send a powerful shockwave in front of you. If you hit an enemy with it though, you start piecing them up with a bunch of boulders and slam them towards the ground after. But if you didn't hit anybody with it, don't worry about it. You still throw a bunch of boulders at your current mouse position that do a lot of damage. Next up, we do have the C move, which is also really cool. Once you press it, you pull down the hexagons from your domain's walls and launch them towards your mouse position. You do a good bit of damage too, and it looks sick. Here's some other cool features this fruit has. Once you have your domain open, you can walk on water, dash on water, it doesn't matter. If you leave your domain, you can also bring your domain with you. And once you leave your domain and you tap Z outside of it, your domain goes to your current position. Tell me that's not fire. Next up, we got the B move. I don't really gotta explain this one since it's very similar to the previous version. However, it did get a crazy visual upgrade. Just look at how sick it looks. I definitely do not want to get hit by this move whatsoever because the devs, I don't know. They were going crazy with this move. Now, if you hold the B move, it's a whole different story because it triggers this
Contrôle, je
insane
sais pas, il a
cinematic
mangé
right
comme il
here.
a.
Go peep it right now.
C'est une
Go peep it.
dinguerie.
Yo. Every time I see the cinematic, I get real hype. Oh my god.
Oh, mais c'est une dinguerie, ce truc.
Yo, oh my god. Yo, the devs really cooked with this cinematic right here. Holy. And yeah, that pretty much sums up the crazy new control rework. It has so many new abilities, so many things to do, and it's overall just a banger top tier fruit. I really had a blast testing out all the new abilities. The fruit was extremely fun to use as well, and I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on it. I want to see nothing
C'est
but
vraiment une
W's,
grosse
straight up
dinguerie ce contrôle
W's in the
rework.
chat for this fruit. And let me know what your favorite new feature is in the comment section down below. The control rework was extremely hype, but we also have another crazy feature coming to the game. Bloxus is now introducing an all-new dungeon system, which is a new PvE experience similar to raids that can be played
Oh, il y
with
aura un
up to
nouveau
4
mode de jeu.
players. Your goal is
Un
to clear
nouveau mode de jeu,
multiple
les
floors
gars.
of enemies and bosses to gain
À
access to
4.
the all-new trinket
Pour
equipment
éliminer un
system,
boss.
which I'm going to explain later on. Players will gain access to the dungeons through the dungeon realm, which is basically a hub location that can be accessed in C2 or 3. Or you can just access the dungeons through the new realm teleporter in the server browser
Vraiment,
that you
que
can see
ça,
right
en
here.
plus.
And similar to the
What?
raids, you're gonna have to be level 1100 or above to join them. Once you get your squad ready, you can hop in
Participer
and get
fait
started.
plus de
Just make sure
1100.
you're prepared because it's gonna be a
Ça va,
lot throwing
plus
hands.
de
I
1100,
mean
ça
a
va.
lot. Now for the cool part. After you clear each floor, you're gonna roll for special buffs that
On est
power up your
d'accord, ils sont
characters in a
niveau
special
50
way.
000, les
And these
amis.
buffs are fully randomized
Parce
every
que
time you
t'es
play, which is
malade.
gonna make every run
Oh,
extremely
les
fun.
gars.
Keep in mind that bosses spawn
Wesh, les
every
boss.
5 floors and they're not a joke.
Wesh.
These bosses did not come to mess around. After you clear the
What,
dungeon, you can
les
get
gars?
access to the new trinket accessories, which are gonna buff your stats and add cool
Ouais.
extra modifiers
C'est
to your
bijou.
build. You can have 2 of them
Pour
equipped at the
augmenter.
same time using the new build menu. This menu summarizes all the buffs the player currently
Ça
has
peut
equipped.
augmenter
You
les
no
trucs
longer
des
have to use the
stades.
nerd NPC to find out what accessories or trinkets
Augmenter
do.
le
They each
stade.
have 3 core attributes, which are base stats, grade, and modifiers. Each trinket has a base stat bonus
Il y a un truc qui améliore plus de 150 points en
receive
mêlée.
for having the item equipped. The grade of the trinket determines how strong of a stat
Et
bonus is
75 en
given,
sort.
and the modifiers
Et 150 en blocks free, les gars.
the extra
En blocks
bonus
free, les
effects that
gars.
the trinket provides for the player
Et moi, je vais
outside
le
of the
bloc
base
free
stats.
direct.
And these stats are rare and more difficult to acquire.
Parce que je vais les
And here
détruire
are
avec
some
mon
of the
fruit.
following actions that you can do with the trinkets. You can fuse
Ok,
trinkets
d'accord.
together to increase their grade
On
and
peut
make them
les
more powerful.
fusionner. Et ça fait la même
And you can
niveau
also
3.
reforge your modifications to reroll their
faire
properties.
jurer pour
However,
les
this can only
augmenter.
be done with grade 3 or higher trinkets. You can also scrap your trinkets in exchange for some data. Overall, these trinkets are a very sick addition to the game. Let me know your
J'avais
thoughts on them in
arrêté
the comment
Blox
section
Free
down below
et
and
dès que j'ai
spam
vu
them
qu'il y
W's,
avait
you feel me?
contrôle
Alright, and
rework,
next
les
up we
gars,
have something for the mobile players that should improve your gameplay experience by a lot.
je
I'm
me suis
talking about
lancé
by a lot.
directement
These
vers
include
Blox
a
Free
new modern control system that will
sur
be
mobile.
added and can be selected from the new settings
Ah mais
here
je vais
menu if a
tester
player is
sur
detected
mobile
playing
en
on a
fait, les
mobile
gars.
device. One of the cool things is it allows for you to quick cast your abilities when selected, and your player will be placed in shift lock view from now on. As you
Et
guys
je
can
vais
see, the
tester
top
sur
bar also
mobile.
got redesigned for ease of access.
Eh vas-y, je vais tester
Overall,
sur
a good
mobile en
change,
même
and I
temps.
hope you mobile players will enjoy
En
them
même
as well.
pour la vidéo, je vais
Alright,
tester en
that's
même
gonna be it
temps
for this
pour
video.
mobile.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to come back on Christmas, December 25th for our winter gacha
Ouais,
and hourly free.
c'est quoi ça? Pour mode entrée hivernale, notre distribution gratuite des fruits toutes les... Le 25, il distribue les distributions de fruits, ils sont gratuites toutes les heures, les gars.
Man, I'll see you
Ah
then.
mais on va se régaler.
Peace.
What? 23 décembre. Vas-y les gars, on va voir... Je sais pas si c'est une dinguerie les gars. Je suis sur mon double compte. Vas-y, vous voulez quoi? Je vais me coller les gars. Ils peuvent pas avoir mon code. De toute façon les mecs, vous pouvez pas avoir mon code. Hein. De Blox Free. Les gars, aujourd'hui à 17h. C'était pas l'attaque. Ça, c'était l'attaque qu'on avait vu. C'était une attaque du contrôle. Oh les gars. Why? What? Ça va devenir une dinguerie Blox Free les gars. Les gars, demain 16h50 vidéo. En plus les gars, Taco Tuesday les gars. Taco Tuesday les gars. Demain Taco Tuesday. Là je vais faire une vidéo en même temps sur le Taco Tuesday. Hein. Les gars, c'était Luffy Roblox. M.Luffy Roblox, hein, les gars. Et bye!